Hello everyone, how are you? It's Lori here from Interior Jewels. I know my camera is in a different location. I am in the kitchen and I have beautiful roses here that my husband brought me. Yesterday was our anniversary, 35 years. Wow. I've had these sitting here since yesterday. I was so busy I didn't have a chance to put them in a vase. So I thought, why not hop on live, being as I'm gonna do that. Day 28 of my 30 days of lives. 2 more days, woohoo! So again, I have these beautiful roses, and I'll be completely honest. These are from Costco. You cannot go wrong with the flowers from Costco. The price of them is, you can't beat it. There's 2 dozen roses here. I buy these often, or he buys them. I tell him, make sure you go there and buy them. I don't need you to go to a florist and spend a fortune on flowers. And you know me, I was doing some yard pickings. I still have hydrangea. So I'm gonna put my roses in first, and then I may put some of these hydrangea in, and I cut some greens as well. So I thought, why not jump on? The phone is really far from me and I have a hard time seeing. Thank you, Loretta. Yeah, 35 years. Could you believe it? Holy cow, is all I have to say. Holy cow. That's a long freaking time. But time flies, as we all know. So I'm opening my roses. I actually have a beautiful, I'm using a traditional vase here. I have a beautiful cut crystal vase that I'm gonna put these in. They're special flowers, so I'll use my crystal vase. And this comes with the flower food. So I put the flowers in there. Kath, by the way, I responded back to your comment on those floral pieces. I know you wanted to know the size. So let me know on those, because otherwise they are going to the store. I'm trying to figure out when I am going to the store. Oh, my husband just got home from work, so his phone is going to continue to ring and ring and ring. He's outside watering the flowers. I gave him that job. I said, you go water the flowers. All right, so these are going to be cut down. And again, remember when you cut your flowers, you want to cut on an angle so you get a bigger surface for them to drink the water. They will stay alive longer. And don't let any of the leaves go below the water line, because that will make the water go bad. I have another container here. I don't know if I'm going to put all 24 in here because that's a lot. Sometimes I'll make a second arrangement or even a third one. You really get so much out of these. Again, you cannot beat the price, and the quality is beautiful too. And when I put them in the vase, I go back. You know what? My clippers don't work good for this. I'm better off with the scissors. I go each side, keep one that side, this side, and I sort of make a grid with the stems. This way they stay in place. Otherwise they'll start flopping over to one side or the other. So I just cut all of the greens off and stick them in. And he went with red, which is so pretty. Although I love all the colors. I'm really not particular. What's everyone doing on this Tuesday? I just walked in. Kath, I was at Savers again, if you're still on here. Got some more goodies. And this just starts to fill up so fast. And there's nothing like a huge bouquet of roses. They're just beautiful. It's a little chilly out there right now. Looked like it was gonna rain, but my phone doesn't say it's supposed to. Not that that means anything. I feel like it's wrong more than it's right. See, when I make that grid, then I could get them to stand up by themselves in the middle. Otherwise, they would all fall on the sides of the base. So I just keep going back and forth, and then you can see how they all cross in there. I wish you can see. Gorgeous. See, and sometimes that's why I like choosing another flower too. So let me put some hydrangeas in there, in between them. Plus they're dying off now on the bush, and if I could make an arrangement in the house with them, I love to do that. I'm even thinking of cutting a whole bunch off and, thanks, Ai, how are you? And drying them. You could just cut them off the stem, put them in a bucket, leave them, no water. They will completely dry out. Those are beautiful to use in Christmas decorations too. If you're doing anything on a mantle, if you're doing any arrangements, a lot of times too, I'll save them for when, remember the other day when for whoever was watching me do my, my own porch decor, when I go cutting greens, I will stick some of those dried hydrangea in there. They're so pretty dried because they're just so textural. They lose their color and they turn just like a, you know, a beigey color. But it looks really, I don't know, what's the word? See, now there's 4 more here, but look at how full of roses this is. It's gorgeous. Yesterday was my anniversary, and I did not post about it because we all knew the issues that we had with Facebook yesterday. And I forgot to post it. I really should have posted it today. All my memories did pop up. I've been posting about that, I think, since I've been on Facebook. Can you believe 35 years? Just blows my mind. I don't know where they went, but they went. That's why you gotta enjoy life every day. You blink your eyes and it's gone. Don't be holding off for the perfect day or the perfect opportunity or the perfect this or the perfect that. Just do it. And be grateful. Being grateful is the key. Even on days that are bad and you don't think you have anything to be grateful for. I promise you, you do. And when you are grateful, things start to change for you. That's my advice of the day. I feel like Dear Abby. Mine too, Eileen. I just love hydrangeas. Do you have any more left in your garden? I need to cut this a little bit. I feel like I'm surrounded by flowers here. Those candlesticks florals I did yesterday are on my kitchen table. I have florals on my counter. I have all of my fall decor out. I'm just flowers all over the place. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hi, Marianne. How are you? Oh, God, I can't see. You had a bush. Never came back, Eileen? Really?
You going anywhere?
No. You want to say hello? I was just telling everybody that you brought me these flowers. They can't believe we're married for 35
Hello.
years. Where are you going? To the car wash?
Yes, I am.
Goes to the car wash every time. So I never have to clean my car. Oh, he's a little obsessed with the car wash. He left Marianne. He went to the car wash. If he's not outside with the blower or watering flowers, he's at the car wash. He has a monthly membership or whatever the heck you call that, but he does. He has a monthly membership to the car wash, so he's always there. Always, always, always there. This is just filling in so beautifully. Look at that. The color combination is gorgeous. Hey Pam, how are you? Thank you. Yours is sleeping. He just walked in from work and he will not go sit down. He's looking to go out, and I actually have to go to Hobby Lobby. And he likes going with me there. And then we'll probably go for something to eat. So he won't sit down and relax until after we get back from that. I also have some greens. I'm not sure if I'm going to see how these look in here. Just a few sprigs of green. Sometimes they're pretty. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Stick those in every so often. And it just starts to take shape. I need another one over there to separate those. Let's see. I have a sink full of hydrangea. Oh, I just broke that one. Let's get another one. And see, I take all the leaves off because you never want the leaves under the water line. You know, Eileen, I don't know, and I really should, but I need to get wreaths, which are never on sale, so that part doesn't matter. And I don't buy ribbon there, unless it's the holiday ribbon. I'm kind of hoping that the florals are on sale, even though I just went to the store last night and got florals. I haven't seen any of the Christmas stuff out yet. It's making me a little nervous. Everyone is way behind on their shipments. And I just got an order for 10 wreaths. I need my florals. Okay, let's see. Since I have 4 left over, I'm gonna do this little tarnished teapot. I love it. As I said, you don't always have to use a vase. You can use whatever type of containers you like. See how pretty that vase is? It's got such a pretty shape. So I'm gonna take these 4 and put them in there. Let's see how tall. I'm gonna do them a little shorter. 1. And then I'll have to find another spot to put these. But it's great to be able to sprinkle them around the house. Oh, see, this leaf was below the water. Don't want to do that. That's too tall. Got another one. Let's see. Not measuring properly. You can always keep cutting down. If you go too short to begin with, you can't make it longer. I just looked at the, oh, you just made my day, Eileen. Thank you. Woohoo! Hopefully they have a good selection. It's been tough going to these stores with what they have available. Is anybody else noticing it? And it doesn't matter what you're shopping for. It's everything. And I have a feeling it's going to get worse. So buckle up. They keep talking about shopping for Christmas is going to be a problem. We'll see. Order now. See, then I'll add some greens to this. This really needs more. I'm going to go out and cut some more hydrangea. I only had the four roses in there, which is fine. But I'll add more hydrangea too. And I just love the greens. Lots of seasonal. Regular was bare last time. Yeah, exactly. Oh, so did they have, I didn't see Christmas florals. I saw Christmas wreaths and ornaments and decorations and stuff like that, but not in the floral section. They didn't have, especially in the middle of the aisles where, you know, they were still jam-packed with fall. I didn't see any Christmas stuff. And I have to start, well, I still have quite a bit of fall. And now I have to make 10 more wreaths of fall, so I do need some more fall stuff. But for the most part, I'm not making any fall. I need to start on Christmas. So there, look at how pretty. I'm gonna take you off the stand so I can show you closer what this looks like, because it's kind of hard to see. Oh, let's see. And I'll try and, I give my older kid money and gift cards. My kids and grandkids are older, of course. Yeah, me too. It's not like I